We all want to live in a safe and sustainable environment. A climate-neutral economy is one of the prerequisites and includes crucial changes in the chemical and pharmaceutical industries. A major step forward is replacing traditional chemical synthesis with electrochemical synthesis. Electrosynthetic processes use electricity to drive reactions, helping to lower carbon footprints, replace toxic chemicals, enhance selectivity and performance, and reduce production costs. To foster progress in this field, the European Doctoral Training Network MiEl has been established. MiEl focuses on microprocess engineering for new electrosynthesis concepts and involves the work of 12 PhD students across 9 different countries. The main research areas in the MiEl project are development of electrochemical syntheses, development of reactor concepts, and process development, including cost analysis.